Just as soon as Brett Kavanaugh's hearing began, so too did the protests. From the gallery and from Senate Democrats.
You're out of order. I'll proceed.
We cannot possibly move forward, Mr. Chairman.
I extend a very warm welcome to Judge Kavanaugh. We have not been given an opportunity
to have a meaningful hearing.
Democrats incensed by a White House refusal to hand over thousands of documents. Thousands more only released last night.
What is the rush? What are we trying to hide by not having the documents out front?
Another concern, Kavanaugh's position on executive power. Nominated by a president under investigation himself, Kavanaugh once wrote that a sitting president should not face prosecution.
There will always be a taint. There will always be an asterisk after your name. Appointed by a president, named as an unindicted co-conspirator.
We need a direct, credible answer from you. Is this president or any president above the law?
In a tweet, President Trump called the Democrats mean, angry, and despicable. His fellow Republicans dismissed the concerns as political theater.
This fight is nothing more and nothing less than an attempt by our Democratic colleagues to relitigate the 2016 presidential election.
Amidst the sparring, Kavanaugh tried to cast himself as neutral.
I do not decide cases based on personal or policy preferences. I am not a pro-plaintiff or pro-defendant judge. I am a pro-law judge.
If confirmed, Kavanaugh would likely tilt the balance of the court further to the right for decades to come. And protest all they want, Democrats do not have the votes to stop his confirmation on their own. They need Republicans to break ranks, and that is very unlikely. Ellen Morrow, CBC News, Washington.
Now, President Trump once said this appointment might be the most important decision of his presidency, and he might not be exaggerating. Kavanaugh is only 53, likely with a long career ahead of him. He replaces Anthony Kennedy, often a swing vote, tipping the bench right with 5 right-leaning justices and 4 left. In addition to his position on executive authority, there are concerns about his stance on some other issues, in particular on abortion. He has never expressed opposition to the landmark case Roe v. Wade, but he has written that the government has permissible interest in favoring fetal life. On LGBT rights, he's a bit of a mystery, but he was serving in the George W. Bush White House when that administration tried to make same-sex marriage illegal.